Starting out a dinner. This is Monday's dinner. And I don't know what I'm going to make. I'm just going to cook some quinoa. You guys know how I make it. With other seasonings that have medical benefits in it, I usually use. And then, of course, a chicken bouillon cube or a bouillon cube, period. And then up in here, I have my huge bag of quinoa that I'm so excited. So I'm loving this big bag of goodness. And I thought I was going to have to put it in a different container, but I think that I'm just going to stick to getting a cup of it like this. And basically, you use 1 cup of the dry ingredients to 2 cups of the wet or water. And I'm adding a dash of onion powder along with the bouillon cube, along with some turmeric. And turmeric, I just put it in anything just to help. I like the color, but help with some medical benefits, I guess you could say. Pepper, yes. And I never really put pepper in it or anything, but I'm just going to go with that. So let's do this. And that's how you make this goodness. The devil. Time to turn it down to low. And I mean like low on your thing, low. And then I'm gonna make Spam with it. I can't help it. But here's where I tuck my 2 rolls of Spam that I got from the wholesale club. And that's what I'm gonna make. You know what that looks like, so I'll just show you a plated when it's all done. But before I talk about the Spam, I do want to let you know that the thing I do like about having all those cans, not just because of the convenience and I don't have to buy it anymore, but because it has this top. And this top makes it readily available should you be in a pinch, pickle, or an earthquake. You don't have to rely on the handy dandy can opener. So I'm just going to cut it up as usual and fry it in this pan. It needs a little nudging to come out of the can. But I'm going to slice some off for dinner tonight, and then I'm going to stick the rest inside of here. So again, I'm using my Gelato Talatini cups, ice cream cups, for Tupperware. And that's all I'm going to do is slice them up here and fry them up. Yes, can't wait. I'm crazy. Where are my vegetables? Where are my vegetables? I'm going to have salad. You know I have that batch of salad that I need to make sure it doesn't go bad. Yep. So I'm going to have salad, of course. I'm going to have to do my research on Spam. I like it too much not to understand its origin or anything. So perfect fit. And then you can go ahead and store that in the freezer or the refrigerator, I guess, because at this point this is an ice cream container, gelato. That's what that's looking like. Then we're going to add some spring mix along with some regular iceberg lettuce, which I really wish I had romaine. Hopefully, well, I like all of this, so it's going to be a good dinner regardless. I almost messed up and chopped up more lettuce. I forgot yesterday when I was doing all that chopping, I put it in this freezer bag. So I have it already, like a pre-mixed salad already. We need to get an even crunch on all sides of this. That's all I can say. Yes, yes. Do you know my stomach is growling so bad? I was out today and I did not buy any food on the street. I was so tempted to buy some Hawaiian barbecue chicken meal, and I'm so glad I didn't. I called that place. It was around 10 bucks. 10 bucks I don't have. Especially since I had to end up getting an oil change during lunchtime because the car actually needed an oil change, I think, or maybe was going to need one soon, or was recommended that I get one. And come to find out, the oil pan was destroyed, so I had to pay for another oil pan and an oil change at the same time. But hereafter, I'm pretty sure I can go to Walmart for my oil change, and they're very cheap there instead of having to pay the money I paid today. So I'm excited about having that done, and the car feels like it loves that it had an oil change, so I think it probably needed one more than I thought. So, goody. Alright, so like I always do, I usually run some sort of water. This I'm going to rinse out because I feel like it really did not get dirty, and that's the stuff I'll be washing as I clean up. Closing all these cabinets. Yep. And I can't wait to show you what everything looks like in the end. And just putting that in the fridge anywhere. Well, let's get this stuff plated. Now, my daughter swears that I can be keto because of the way I eat for the most part, which I don't feel like I can because I like junk food too much. And so with that being said, I'm wondering if this is like a keto meal anyways, because I don't think quinoa is not like rice or anything. So it's not like it's the starch part of a meal or whatever, or the no parts. So I don't know if the quinoa's done, but I'm so hungry, and if it's not done, I'll just put it back in the pot. And then I'm just going to have some water with some of this. And want to watch me pour the water? And this is fruit punch flavor. My daughter was over, and she did say that this is ketogenic, or this is a keto friendly. I think that's too much. It's a keto friendly drink, so that's interesting. I don't have any ice. My little ice tray is disappointing me, so I'm probably going to have to buy another ice tray. But anyways, there's the dinner. Y'all, I didn't want to tell you this, but I'm going to confess. I'm going to confess, like 2 groceries ago, give or take, I was able to get Patty LaBelle sweet potato pies for $1 something. I don't know what Walmart did, made an abundance order, and anyways, I bought the pies and froze them. So these are freezer bags, and those are the pies. So there you have it. I have pies in my freezer as well. And that's why I was a little bit wondering, how am I going to fit all the new meats in this tiny little freezer, although I will be getting a new fridge in a month or 2. All right. Thank you for watching the video. If you're first time watching, please click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, thumbs up the video, leave a message, and I will see you on my next video.